One team heavily favored here, which is going to give us something to watch, is whether they can dominate.
Doesn't matter, Gary. The game is tied right now, and let's let them decide before we handicap, all right?
Tremendous stick handling, offensive attack. Knocks it away with a stick. Good pass. He's got that up the wing. 2-on-2 the other way. Takala. Straight. Up it goes to Johansson. And they're into the zone. 2-on-1. Breaks the rush. Delayed penalty coming up. Russ got his arm up here. Let's see what it is. Checo's going to go. 2 minutes. Interference. They've got the puck in the offensive zone. They win the draw. Breaks up the offense. Center ice poke check. Moves that one on his own stick to Edler. Nice pass. That all the way to the point. To Johansson. Moves the return pass. In a hurry. Oh, what a shot. Scores! Power play goal. Here in an early part of this game, Bill, already they've taken a little pressure off themselves by getting that lead.
Pretty balanced play by these guys. Now they've got the lead. Their challenge will be to build on it before the period ends.
Takala. Good play to get that puck away. Delayed whistle, penalty coming. Checo's taking the route less traveled here, but
yeah, it's like I'm out of here.
Delayed penalty now will be assessed. They win that offensive draw. Intercepted. To Edler. Checo. That one's going to be dumped in. Nice feathering play to get it into the corner. Johansson. Oh, what chances. Look at the moves he's putting on. We'll get that right back. Pump check. To Linden. There's a missed shot over the net. Takala. Gets that puck back. Breaks up the offensive opportunity as he poke checks that one away. Up the gut to Straight. He'll carry that puck into the end himself. Attempts to clear. Out of the zone. Offsides, a whistle and a draw coming. Whoa, wait a minute. Johansson's face wash. That's an invitation to drop him. Puck left for his teammate as he ties it up on the draw. To Checo. To Straight. Ref skating over. Another whistle. Another call. Let's get it. Edler's penalty. 2 minutes for tripping. Ties the man up on the draw, looking to pick it up. To Linden. Great scoring chance coming. Left him behind. Trying to get it up ice. Clearing attempt. Not good. It's still in the offensive end. Linden. That one up along the wall. To Linden. Pass through center. 2-on-2 in the rush. Checks him with a poke check. Takala. Chalk that one up as a pad save. He'll hang on to that one. There's a great play to tie up on the faceoff and get that puck free for his teammate. Picks that puck up in front of the net. That's in his own defensive end. Dangerous land right there. Watch out here. Nice clear in the PK. Chucko. And that one's going to be whistled on the icing. Good offensive zone win. To Johansson. There's a loose puck that he's got behind the net. Takes a hack at it. Banging away at the puck. Knocks the puck away. To Edler. This is a high-scoring area. Brings it in. To Johansson. Big wrist shot. Shot scores! And that's his second of the night. Great deep move. Breaks up the play in his own end. Johansson. Take a look at the clock. First period coming to a conclusion. Let's see if he can move it. Turns it over. To Linden. We'll get a whistle here offside. Winger moves in to pick up that puck. Good tie-up in the faceoff. First 20 minutes brought us some offense. We'll see if that continues. 2-0 after one. Players have done what they've needed to do to keep this game close for both sides. I mean, they played a tough game.
Yeah, without a doubt. I mean, it's almost as if finesse guys need not apply. This is all about the grinders.
Here's the face-off for period number 2. Through center ice to Edler. He's got him right on his back on this breakaway. Puck hits him and rolls away. It's a blocked shot even though he didn't see it coming. That one blown dead offside. There's a neutral zone face-off win to Straight. Needs to get a play going. Snap that one. Long shot. Easily taken care of. Wonder why that one got shot from where it was. That pass completed from that wing. Center ice to Edler. Pass up the wing. Takala. Off the wing. Back into the middle to Johansson. Offensive rush. 3-on-2. Breaks that offensive flow up, moving in front. Touches the puck. That'll draw the whistle and an icing call. And that Draga got it in their own end. Pokes that away, breaks it up in the zone. Into that offensive zone. Let's see if he can find some help. Neutral zone hit right there. Boy, he got all of him. To Johansson. And they're in. It's a 2-on-0. Save made on the breakaway, but not a good scoring opportunity. That's called getting your face in the middle of it. He went down, blocks that shot. Good play. And he scores! And the lead is down to 1 with a long way to go. Takala. Save on the long shot, not tough. They'll get a face-off off that frozen puck. Oh, he ties him up in the face-off zone, and that's going to leave the puck for his teammate. Johansson. To Edler. Into the zone. They've got a 2-on-1. There's a big poke check. Takala. Up the wing to Edler. Opposite side flip. Good play to hold that in the zone. Carrier trying to move in. Won't get through neutral ice. Good poke check. Wants to get this up in a hurry. Look at the opportunity. Close to the net, but he'll get control of it. Will be an icing call on the touch. Good face-off win in their own end. Hangs on to that one in the offensive zone. Chance by the boards. That's a nice glove save. Yikes. Huge collision takes place. What a shot. Nice work. Second period almost done. Checo's hit right there was big time.
Gary, did he ever blast him? I mean, he got him with the full body.
Intercepts that one. Little aerial right there and right on the tape. Frees that puck up in the neutral zone. Looks like we've got a delayed call coming. Referee's got his arm up here. Play will go on for the moment. This game's still to be decided. Both teams have left themselves a chance for a W. 2-1 at the end of 2. You talk about a game that's relying on defense. Both teams did that in that period.
Yeah, and part of defense is hitting, and both of these teams are just laying punishment on each other. I think that's why the shot totals are low.
We get going here in the third. Fires it. Bounces away. Needs to move it. Got the stick in. Knocks it away. To Johansson. Up it goes. Has control. Edler's ability to control the puck tonight has not been good.
Just forcing it a little bit. Still, go for the safe play. Don't try the low percentage one.
Up the wing to Johansson. Johansson's with a great D.
Oh, he beat him cleanly. Fantastic move.
Back in behind the net. Good poke check. Straight. Look at the flying moves put on. Can't believe he missed that. What a scoring chance. Goalie will get that one covered. They win possession in the zone. To Straight. Carries that puck into the zone. Poking that one away in the defensive zone. Look at the reach. A lot of trouble right there if that gets intercepted. Here's a 2-on-1. There's the shot. Good save. Great positioning for that pad save. Good effort with a stick that time. Just reached out and poked it away. To Straight. Team's going to get the extra one out as the goalie heads to the bench. Able to pick that puck up, helping his goaltender out. Takala. We've got another penalty. He heads over to give it to the official scorer. Edler's being assessed a 2-minute minor, tripping. That puck's going to be moved by the winger after he tied him up in the draw. He's got that one on the stick. That was just wobbling around for a minute. Good pass to try and make some offense from down low. Good effort on the poke check. That'll roll that puck away.
Oh, he missed the net.
Johansson's chop at it. You get a face-off here in the offside. It's got to be frustrating to be this close and yet so far.
And Gary, on another night, this team might be piling up the goals, but it's not going their way tonight.
Nice work to knock it away. Good work off the face-off, even though he just left the puck for his teammate. Oh, my. Tremendous hit. Wanted more on that one from that area. PK unit moves that one up ice. Nice play. They'll start this rush from their own end. Poke checks the puck away. Trying to handle that loose puck with a stick. Puck loose, picks it up. Johansson. Up against the wall. Quick shot. To straight. Intercepted. Edler's efforts right there have left the defender wondering where he went. Nice deke. That one up along the boards. Puck will come back out on the offside. There's a neutral zone face-off win. Through the middle to Linden. Take advantage of the end of that stick. He pokes it away in the defensive end. Tied him up in the face-off. Left the puck for his winger. Scoring chance down. Score! And there are 2 unanswered goals on the board. Well, regardless of how it finishes, they've set up a finish.
Oh, you have to love this. I mean, who would have asked for anything more than that?
Takala. Big shot. Bad save. Good work with a stick. Takala. Linden's stick is picking that one up. Shows he knew where that pass was going. He'd already read it. Oh, my. That's a major league collision right there. What a shot. And that poke check will break it up at center ice. Poked away. There's a nice pass through the middle of the ice. Oh, there's a shot in goal scoring area. Glove save. Linden's been excellent on the draw as he steps in. Linden's face-off win, another crucial one, and it couldn't come at a more important time in the game. Save made with a pad as he flashes that one. Third period almost over. Let's see if we get one more big play. Neutral zone. Good stand-up poke check. A dump into the offensive zone, going across ice to get there. Great play right there. Great hands as he got it out of the zone and into the center ice area. Thought he was going to carry that deep. Good poke. Got to hurry. Clock ticking down. One last chance. In on the stick. Oh, gain some room. To Chucko. Pokes it away. Here's a pickup down low. Shot. Trying to dig that puck up against the wall. To Edler. Oh, he wristed that one. And our third period is indeed over, but not this game. It's tied, and we're going to go on and play in overtime until we find a winner. And a tie game coming as a result of this goal as we head to our intermission. Linden's job, win this faceoff. Key draw. Overtime underway. There's the drop of the puck. Sends this one into the offensive end deep. Able to hold that in at the blue line. Shot. Good save right there. That's positioning. Well, he blocked that shot. I'm not sure he ever saw it, but hey, he got the job done. Checo's going to go, tripping the call. Face-off win comes to the offensive end. To Edler. Good pass to get it back to him. Move back up to the point. He gets that one off. That's a good one-timer. Give me another chance on that one.
That had a vapor trail by it, but it found no twine.
Needs to hurry. Good work. He got that stick on the puck. Offensive chance. Big-time shot. That shot's going to go wide. You want to give the offense a chance, keep that puck in the zone. He does. Has it at the point. Gets around him. Oh, he's leaving everybody behind him. What magic in the offensive end. To Johansson. From down low. Pass back. Tic-tac on that one. Good defensive play to break it up. That's how you clear the zone. Long pass. Johansson. To Edler. Quick shot. Straight's mistake like that in overtime. That could be the game ender.
Out of position, without a doubt. He's got to correct that.
Over 6 minutes gone in overtime. And with a score tied here in overtime, we're looking for just one. Good play with the stick. Straight. Into the neutral zone with that pass. Nice wrister. Should have had that one, and he didn't get it. Edler's poke check tonight has been most impressive.
Excellent reads of the play, and then he's got the coordination to make the poke check work.
Stick work, pokes it away. He'll control that puck in the offensive zone. Chucko. Shot. Oh, what a save. Takes the shot. Great leg save. Knocks it away. Straight. Great move. A penalty coming up. We're going to get a delay on this one. Linden's penalty, 2 minutes for tripping. They win the draw in their own zone. On the stick through center. To Johansson. That one's going to stop on the offside. Use your body, tie him up, and leave the puck for somebody else. He did. Pope checks that one away. Got to clear the zone. No daylight there. He's got the pads right up against the post. He's got that puck in behind the net. Big smash shot. There's a nice play to slow down the offense. Needs to move it. Precious time gained right there as they clear it out. Take that puck from down low, go back to the point. Redirected away from the net. To Edler. On the tape on the left wing. Stick on the puck, knocks it away. Linden. To Chucko. Nice pass as they go tic-tac. Edler. Edler. Neutral zone poke check. Loose puck and he gains control of it. Johansson's suffering down there on the ice right now. I mean, this has been a night where he just gets hammered shift after shift. Takala. There he goes in behind the net. Breaks that up with a stick. Breakaway chance. Defender's on his back. Great save. What a scoring opportunity. Takes a hack at it. Johansson. To Edler. Takes a shot. Save with the pad. That horn is looming here in overtime. Can we find a goal? No puck on that one as he knocked it away. Good poke check. To Straight. That puck was up for grabs. He's got it. Chance. He was in the right place, right time. That'll be a blocked shot. Linden. Good effort, good hustle to get that one out of there. See how quick they can get this into the zone. Pass along the wing. 2-on-2 the other way. Takala. To Johansson. Got the puck. Still no decision from the overtime. This game remains tied. Linden's been their best face-off man, so of course he's going to take this late key draw. Here in overtime, trying to find a winner. Let's see whether or not we can get one as the focus gets tougher. Good wrist shot. Not much on that. Defense is on him. Edler. Has that puck under control, brings that into the offensive end. Good poke check to free that puck up. Edler. Great deke, and he's got it on the stick. Good pass to get out of the zone all the way to center ice. Easy pad save. Here's the chance. Got it. There's a wide shot. He's got it out deep. Quick opportunity. And an easy save made on a shot taken from a position he shouldn't be shooting from. Edler trying to control the puck. Save. Needs to move it. Picks up that rubber along the line. Picks it up. Nice blocker save. Shot. And a game winner. That's the overtime finish.
I don't know. I think this game is going to kind of get mixed reviews depending on if you wanted a ton of goals or if you wanted a scoreless tie. I know that the coaching staff will break it down and they'll find good points and they'll find flaws in everything that their players did.
Bill on the money with that one. I think everybody enjoyed this, players and fans.